Right, question 3 here. Look at the format of this one. It's one rational is going to equal another rational. And we want the left-hand side to be exactly equal to the right-hand side. And we're being asked to find what special value of p will allow that to happen. Okay? So that's our goal, that's our job. Now, there are 2 ways I'm going to demonstrate how to do this. And I'll let you pick which one you feel most comfortable with. First thing that we need to do, without any hesitation, is insert a set of brackets. Now, we can look at doing what most people, when they see this sort of question, feel they're uncomfortable with the fraction. So we can use our knowledge of inverse operations to rearrange and reorganize the equation. And we'll do it in 2 distinct steps. The first target I'm going to have is, this is p minus 3, all of p minus 3 divided by 5. So what's going on in my head, I'm thinking, right, I want to take that across to the right-hand side using my inverse operations. So my next line would look like 5 times p plus 7 all over 3. That's divide by 5 on the left-hand side, multiply by 5 on the right-hand side. Step 1. Step 2 is almost a repeat. I'm going to move this from the right-hand side to the left-hand side. And what I tend to do there is divide by 3, the inverse operation. Now I'll just leave the 5 at the moment where it is. That's all good. Now I'm ready to go. Expand the brackets. Reorganize. My logic is I'm going to take that and like that. Okay. The way I remember it to an extent is numbers with numbers, letters with letters. I'm rearranging on this equation. So 3p, so that will be 5p minus 3p. Now notice very carefully that's that minus 35. Got to look at the in front. So negative 44 would equal 2p, negative 22 is p. That's one way. Have a look at this way. I'll do it in blue. Okay, here's an alternative way. You can look at the 2 sides. Start again. We're going to bracket it. And we could apply an LCM to get a common denominator on both sides. So 5 and 3, I'm thinking 15. So I'm going to multiply top and bottom on the left-hand side by 3, top and bottom on the right-hand side by 5. So that then gives me 3 outside of p minus 3 on 15 equals 5 outside of p plus 7 over 15. Now here's the good part, doing it this way. Both left-hand side and right-hand side are all parts are being divided by 15. So we can do that. Expanding the brackets, you'll see that we end up exactly where we ended up doing it the other way. Boom, these 2 lines here, exactly the same. So we just go to work there now. All right, so 5p minus 3p, negative 9 minus 35, negative 44, 2p, negative 22. Gotcha, done. Either way will work, either way.